So, what's your name?
My name is Mickey.
Mickey, beautiful. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8, right? Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, right? So, what are you wearing today?
My t-shirt. My t-shirt and shorts.
T-shirt and shorts, right? What color is your t-shirt?
My t-shirt in purple and white.
Oh, purple and white. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Okay. So, stand up, please. Okay. Clap your hands. Nice. Jump up high. Beautiful. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Yes. Turn around. Nice. Shake your body. I don't know, right? Okay, sit down. So let's go. We have some things for you. Okay, what letter is it?
Letter R.
R. How about this one?
Letter O.
O. The?
Letter Q.
Nice. Next. What letter is this?
Letter P.
P. That one?
Letter M.
M. That one?
Letter N.
N. Nice. Next. Okay, we have a letter M. What is M for?
M is for mountain.
Mountain. Nice. And
M
next?
is for mailbox.
Mailbox. Okay. M for. Next, we have N. N for?
N is for newspaper.
Nice.
N is for nurse.
Nurse. Okay, that is awesome. We have O. What is O for?
O is for octopus.
Octopus.
O is for ostrich.
You're smart. Next, we have P.
P is for postcard.
Nice.
P is for pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Nice. Awesome. We have Q.
Q
What is Q for?
is for water. Q is for question.
Awesome. We have R.
R is for runner. R is for river.
Wow, that's really good. So we have a kitchen. Let's tell me, where is a sugar?
Sugar. The sugar is next to the flour.
Beautiful. How many forks we have? Forks. How many forks do we have? How many? 1, 2.
Fork is for bowl.
It's on a bowl, huh? Okay, where is the spoon?
The spoon is in the bowl.
Okay, nice. So we have 3 forks, okay? 1, 2, 3. Where's the milk?
The milk is on the fridge.
Okay, on the fridge, nice. So how to make an apple cake? What do you need to make it? I need
Water.
water, right?
I need flour. I need sugar.
Right.
I need egg.
Eggs.
I need apple.
Apple.
I need milk.
Milk. Do you need fish?
No.
Do you need a banana?
No.
No. Okay, let's check. Wow, that's correct. Okay, that's amazing. Nice. And also egg, right? Let's go to the next. So this is a song, right? Can you sing it? Let's go then. Can you stand up and start singing?
Put the spoon on the table. Put the fork on the table. Put the dish on the table. Oh, spoon for dish, set the table.
Wow. Okay, that is amazing. Nice. thank you so much. So see you next time.
Goodbye.
That is something good.